Welcome to JawadulManzoor Foundation. Today we are doing the long division worksheet with you, and this is an interactive worksheet. Okay, you will solve the question in your copy, manuscript, and write the answer in the worksheet. Alright, so we are starting without wasting our time. We should start our lesson very fast. And this worksheet is helping to you long division worksheet and with reminders. So this is very much helpful, and this is a basic of many other topics of mathematics. So before going to start other topics, before going to start your exam preparation, so try to solve it so that your basic concept must be clear before the exam. And I was getting a lot of queries that students are facing a lot of problem during division instead of multiplication is put the link below in the description. Just go through this link. I will show you here as well. This is the link. And even apart from this, you can just search cambridgemath.blogspot.com and you can search any topic of your choice or the topic in which you are facing a lot of problems. Wonderful thing is that this is totally interactive worksheet. You don't need to get the printout of this. Apart from this, another wonderful thing is that this is totally free of cost, and there is no any charges or no any hidden charges, and you can solve it for unlimited period of time. If you are in grade 3, you must learn the table from 2 to 12. Okay, so the question number 1 is in front of you. 42 divided by 8. So how you will solve it?
2 divided by
Yeah, so you have to 8 5 is equal to 40.
8 5 is 40.
Yeah,
8 12 is 40.
8 5 is equal to 40, and you will write the quotient here. Do the method as well. I will share the method and try to do it by yourself and write here. 8 5 is will be the 40, and then the remainder will be, read the 8 table 5 times. 8, the remainder will be how many remainder? 2. 2 will be the remainder. Okay, in this way you have to write it. Now the second one, it is 7 divided by 7. You don't need to write this one, just do practice. 8 7 divided by 7. Here you will read the table of 7 up to 87, but here the first value, the easy method is the
I think
8.
87 is not covered.
So what we will do, we will read the table of 7 up to like there must be 8 come, or there must be the value which is less than 8.
7 1 is 7.
7 1 is equal to 7. So you will count the table of 7. Yeah, very good. Now what you will do? Subtraction. 7 minus 4.
7 5.
This is Q.
Yeah.
This is called quotient 12, and this is a remainder 3. How you will do? Okay, we have solved out 3 questions here in front of you. In this way we have to solve all the questions, and try to solve your questions and write in a comment box that how many answers you have done correctly. Another thing I would like to tell you here, that you can check the answer in this as well. Okay, because we have done only 3 questions, so you can see that the all 3 questions are correct. If your answers will be correct, so this will be green in color, otherwise they will be red in color. We have left this. Apart from this, if you are, then you can check the answer in this way. You can just click on it, or you have the answer key as well. If you will click on this link, you will see that there is a answer key of all the questions. There are almost 40 questions, and all our long division method of all our long division method, and you must get the quotient and remainder, both things. So I have written R for the remainder, and quotient, you know that Q is the quotient. So here it is written, both options are given to you, quotient and remainder. Remainder means after completely solving this, for example I am solving this one in front of you, the quotient will be 9 and the remainder is 1. So if I am checking the answer, then you can see this is correct, the answer is correct. So in this way you can solve the worksheets, and you can check the answer. If you have your answers are wrong, you can check there is a answer key as well. You can to take the printout, so there is a option of printout as well. Here is a video lecture link, the grade 3 playlist. So when you will click on this link, you will find the complete grade 3 math Cambridge math solutions. You can see most of the exercises we have done, just you can click on the link, you will find it. Look, this was the worksheet for the
This which shape option shows 2/3.
all the lessons are there. Now JawadulManzoor Foundation. Today we are learning Cambridge Primary Mathematics Workbook 3. Exercise 11.3, extending. Now you can see this was the exercise 11.3. All the exercises we have done from the learner's book and from the workbook as well as we have done from the few other questions as well, and the especially from the behalf of JawadulManzoor Foundation, we have designed an interactive worksheet so that the people will get the easily they can solve the. You can see this is exercise 14.1 in front of you. So almost all of the exercises we have solved. You can just go through this link, you will see that this is exercise 14.2, and this is the complete playlist of grade 3. Is an interactive worksheet. This was a mega worksheet, and it is also interactive, which has covered the unit 10 to 17. This is on the same playlist. You can just go through this playlist. Butterfly means it is telling us.
It is a butterfly.
We have solved many exercises, and we have solved the worksheets as well, interactive worksheets as well. So you can just go through these links and you will find the solution of all worksheets as well. Okay, fine, this was all about today's lesson. Facing any problem, so what you will do, there is a comment box, you can write. If you don't want to show your name, so you can just put it here, and you can write any comment. If you are feeling whenever you are solving the worksheet and you are facing that there is any question is wrong, so you can just write that question number 4 is wrong and answer key is also wrong. In this way you can also wrong if there is any question is wrong, or if there is no, you find that all the questions are correct and still you are not understanding, so you can just write question number 10, I can't understand, so can you please, or you can write in Urdu or any other language which you know. I don't know from where you are watching this video. You can just write your country name in the comment box so that I will come to know. And apart from that, in your own language you can write the comment here. Okay, I can't understand the question 10. Can you please explain again? So you will get the proper reply. So you can just write the comment here and you can publish it here. Or if I'm posting is you don't want to show your name, you will just put this, select this link, anonymous, or you can put the name or URL as well, and you can publish it when you will publish it, you will get the answer of your query on the worksheet, as well as this is publishing, you can see on the worksheet as well as if you will write if you are facing any problem, you can write in a comment box of YouTube. Best of luck.